अच्छा ये सैंडमैन ने क्या वीडियो डाला था? मैं सैंडमैन का वीडियो देखता हूँ भाई।
कौन सा प्यूडीपाई वाला?
हाँ।
देख ले। सेम भाई, ठीक है भाई, सेम बोला तो।
सैंडमैन
सैंडमैन
प्यूडीपाई
गेमिंग डाला एक्चुअली, सैंडमैन डालेगा तो डीसी वाला आएगा।
मिल गया मेरे को। सैंडमैन रेसिस्ट प्यूडीपाई डिफेंडर्स आर क्लाउन्स इंग्लिश। यस ये वाला ना।
To record this video in Hindi, but since the people that I am going to mention in this video, they may or may not understand Hindi, so I have decided to descend from my throne and speak the language of peasants,
Descend-
also known as English.
What the fuck भाई ये व्हाट इज दिस भाई? साला मतलब बंदा दूसरे रेसिस्ट पीपल में बना रहा है कि ऐसा लाइक लोग रेसिस्ट और खुद भी रेसिस्ट वाले हरकतें करते हैं भाई। व्हाट द फक भाई। हाँ भाई।
So guys, I wanted to record this video in Hindi, but since the people that I am going to mention in this video, they may or may not understand Hindi, so I have decided to descend from my throne and speak the language of peasants, also known as English. Another reason would be
आयरनिक हाँ ना, मतलब ऐसा सैड भाई। देखो एक चीज मेरे को विनलैंड सागा ने अच्छे से सिखाई है कि अगर हम लोग पीस को लेके प्रीच कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो हम लोग लफड़ा नहीं कर सकते भाई। ठीक है, लाइक उसी अगर समझ लो तुम्हें बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है, कि तुम्हें झगड़ा नहीं करना चाहिए, बट एट द सेम टाइम मैं तुम्हें वो मार के नहीं समझा सकता भाई। ठीक है, मेरे को तुम्हें प्यार से समझाना पड़ेगा भाई।
be that I don't trust Google Translation, so in case they try to translate Hindi into English, they might die of cringe. And even if there is 0% chance that these people will see my video, I'm still going to take it and try my best to convey my message. So the story starts when a video of PewDiePie enjoying with his family is uploaded on Twitter, and a user complained that he's a living proof that you can be racist to 20% of world's population and still people will call you wholesome. Now this remark has a backstory of its own, which is 5 to 6 years old. At that time, PewDiePie was the most subscribed channel on YouTube, and he noticed that one channel from India was going to overtake him very soon. So he created a narrative of us versus them in front of the whole world by saying that he is an individual creator and T-Series is a mega corporation, and since YouTube is for individuals.
तो लोग पता है क्या, ये लोग ऐसा us versus them कर रहे हैं ना। मैं तुम लोग को एक फन फैक्ट बताता हूँ, ठीक है। इसने ऐसा बोला ना कि टी सीरीज एक कंपनी और वो अकेला यूट्यूबर है, ठीक है, दैट्स उसका पॉइंट, ठीक है। बट एक चीज याद रखना, ठीक है, प्यूडीपाई ने जितना सेलिब्रेट किया, ठीक है, उसके खुद के इसके लिए, टी सीरीज वालों ने घंटा कुछ नहीं किया। आई गेस ज्यादा एक केक काटा था, एक वीडियो डाला था ऐसे, वो भी ऐसा लाइक फोन की स्क्रीन लंबी करके ऐसा लाइक 9:16 के एस्पेक्ट रेशियो में। हाँ, वीडियो डाला था कि थैंक यू फॉर ये मेकिंग अस द मोस्ट सब्सक्राइब यूट्यूब चैनल ऑन द वर्ल्ड। बस उतना ही था भाई, और कुछ नहीं था, नॉट गॉना लाई, और कुछ नहीं था भाई। ठीक है, तो लाइक उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो लोग कंपनी है, ठीक है। वो लोग हजारों वीडियो स्पैम करते हैं एक दिन में भाई, ठीक है। इवन मिस्टर बीस्ट वाज पुशिंग हिम, सो शुड वी बी हेटिंग ऑन भाई मिस्टर बीस्ट पे? देख भाई, सॉरी भाई, मैं आई कांट भाई, ठीक है, आई कांट भाई। इतना अच्छा बंदा है भाई वो, व्हाट द फक भाई। मेरे को उसके ऐसा बनना है, मेरे को उसकी इतना चैरिटी करना है भाई।
Individual creators, he should be the one to have the highest subscriber count. He then started to beg for subscribers so that he can be way ahead of T-Series, and soon it became a war between whole world and T-Series. But still T-Series was gaining subscribers way faster than PewDiePie, so out of desperation, PewDiePie drops a diss track against T-Series, where instead of trolling T-Series, he starts trolling Indians. But still
out of desperation, huh?
he lost the war and T-Series became the most subscribed channel in the world. Out of frustration, PewDiePie drops another diss track against T-Series.
Oh, बाप रे, such hater behavior भाई, such hater behavior भाई, what the fuck? Such hater behavior भाई।
And again, instead of trolling T-Series, he trolls Indians. These two videos made 99% of Indians disappointed in PewDiePie. The remaining 1% are those clowns that comment in every video saying, as an Indian, I don't feel offended.
हाँ, I mean, you know, देखो मैं एक बहुत ही हॉट टेक देने वाला हूँ, ठीक है। इंडियंस दिल पे बात बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से लेते हैं, लाइक बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे से लेते हैं भाई, एज कम्पेयर टू बाकी लोग जो ऐसा लाइक हाँ भाई ठीक है, कॉमेडी क्या हा हा हु करके साइड हो गए भाई, ठीक है। बट बाकी लोग ऐसा दिल पे लेके बैठ जाते हैं भाई।
So these clowns are basically asking for West validation or white validation, and they want to taste something pink in their life at least once.
लाइक वेस्ट वैलिडेशन क्या होता है बे? मतलब बेसिकली वेस्टर्न, हाँ वेस्टर्न कल्चर को अपने को अपील करना, वैसा वाला आई थिंक। ओके,
once. Anyways, so this was the context of the comment and it got a lot of likes. Another user commented on it saying that the actual lyrics are way worse than what he remembered, and the whole commentary Avengers jumped on them to
Only Indians know the real background music.
protect their edgelord. So basically all of their videos have a similar starting where they say that PewDiePie was enjoying with his family and minding his own business, and suddenly people started commenting on him, which is supposed to be a bad thing but is actually funny because PewDiePie has always been that guy who makes fun of others and comments on them, and these comments are not abuse.
देखो, roasting is a different thing भाई, ठीक है, rather than किसी को नीचे दिखाना, ठीक है, या किसी को ऐसा लाइक किसी के बारे में बुरा भला बोलना, और रोस्टिंग, ठीक है, डिस ट्रैक इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग भाई.
If they're just giving their opinions. Imagine being an Indian guy having no relation with T-Series or PewDiePie, seeing the bitch lasagna video. You would be like, bro, you have a beef with T-Series, right? So why are you talking about my defecation, bitch? And this is what we call karmo ka phal. You do something to someone, that similar thing will happen to you at least once in your lifetime. In English, it is karma. Another thing that these guys are trying to back up is this
karma भाई,
one line from the first diss track,
Chala.
which goes like, I am a blue-eyed white dragon and you are a dark magician. Sounds racist, right? No, because if you haven't done your graduation from Anime Institute of
Yu-Gi-Oh!
Technology, you
Yu-Gi-Oh!
won't get this
Yu-Gi-Oh!
Yu-Gi-Oh reference. Guys, he
साला
meant
Yu-Gi-Oh! नहीं, Yu-Gi-Oh को
two
Yu-Gi-Oh
most
बोल
popular
रहे हैं.
cards of the two most popular characters of that anime. You guys are dumb, guys.
ठीक
He
है,
didn't
अब लेट मी गेस ये क्या बोलने वाला है कि उसने वही वाले कार्ड्स क्यों लिए.
mean to comment on the skin color, guys. If I call you Hitler, that does not mean I am calling you a Nazi, guys. It means that you have been rejected from an art school, guys. Understand me, guys, it's just a reference. Yeah, we got it, it was a reference, but you got to be delusional if you think while writing these lyrics, PewDiePie was not aware that the first thing that anyone will notice in these lyrics would be the color difference. He exactly knew what he was doing and he did it very intelligently. So guys, take notes. If you want to be racist to someone, just find an anime reference and then say it to them. This way, if they called you out, you can say that you are giving a reference of an anime and the meaning is different than what they have understood. This way you can be racist without being racist. So let's go. Apart from this subliminal racism, PewDiePie also says that the language of T-Series, which is predominantly Hindi, sounds like a mumble rap community, which can be pointed out as direct racism. But our friends here do not think like that. According to them, these kinds of things have been like in the society from a long time. People making fun of each other's languages and culture and all other things, and these things have been in the society.
अच्छा, मैं CS नहीं खेलता भाई स्ट्रीम पे.
According to most of the Westerners, you can say anything to any race or ethnicity and they don't have any right to be offended until you speak the N-word. That word has the trademark of being racist, and if by mistake you said it on a bridge one day, then these commentary channels won't be able to save you. You'll have to make a video explaining the situation and what was in your mind.
ये N-word वाला तो भाई
And you made a big mistake and
सबसे goofy था भाई उसका.
that you won't do it again, and you'll also have to assure your audience that you are not a racist. But if you deliberately mocked Indians, the max you'll have to do is go and do some charity in that country and talk about a famous actor who passed away. And also, before mocking them in your second diss track, you have to say I love you to them so that they won't have any right to object you. These commentary channels might try to explain you that at that time PewDiePie was in his edgy era and he has matured a lot since then. But guys, at that time also he was a fully grown man, so this excuse is lame as hell. In the second diss track, he acts like he's talking to the Prime Minister of India, Modi ji, as he was asking T-Series, a private company, to fix caste system in India. He might have assumed that Modi ji is Indian and T-Series is Indian, so maybe like Modi ji is running T-Series, and we can expect these kind of things from a Westerner guys, because they are mostly busy thinking who is the actual father of their child, and it drains all their energy. So at the end guys, I would say that PewDiePie is actually not racist, because he said that in one of his apology video, and since he said it, so we'll have to accept it that he is not racist. If he was racist, he had to admit that he is racist, otherwise you can't claim him as racist. But the things and the words he said during the subscriber race with T-Series, they were in fact racist, and no amount of manipulation or gaslighting will change that fact. So it's better to just own it up and move on with it. My only reason to create this video was because of these commentary channels, because they were trying to cover up PewDiePie's actions, and to be honest, they were dick riding him. So drop a comment if you want me to create a parody of Bitch Lasagna song, where instead of criticizing PewDiePie, we We will call white people as school shooters and black killers so that they can also feel the pain that we have felt back then.
भाई
Until
देखो
then, keep
देखो
playing,
देखो
keep smiling.
अब अभी अगर देखो उस टाइम ठीक है, उस टाइम वो वाला गाना निकालना वाज काइंड ऑफ लीगल, ठीक है। अभी अगर कोई वो गाना निकाले, ठीक है, अभी अगर कोई भी वो गाना निकाले, सीधा जेल जाएगा भाई, वो सीधा जेल जाएगा वो, ठीक है। अभी यू कांट भाई, ठीक है, यू कांट भाई, प्लीज प्लीज डोंट भाई, एटलीस्ट 2024 में तो नहीं भाई, ठीक है। 2020 ये अगर गाना निकाला भाई, लोग इसके पीछे जो आएंगे भाई, बाप रे बाप भाई।
जब मैंने पहली बार देखा ना, ठीक है, आई वाज काइंडा लाइक ओके, ही काइंडा हैज अ पॉइंट।
आई मीन देखो ये पॉइंट है, बट ऐसा
हैज अ पॉइंट।
वो वही जसर वाला सीन है, ठीक है, कि अगर तुम दूसरों को कुछ समझा रहे हो तो तुम उनको गाली दे के नहीं बोल सकते हो, ठीक है। तुम्हारा समझाने का तरीका भी ढंग का होना चाहिए भाई।
एग्जैक्टली। सुन जब मैंने पहली बार देखा तो ही काइंडा हैज अ पॉइंट मैंने समझ लिया, ठीक है। तो फिर मैंने फिर से जाके बिच लसानिया फिर से सुना, कांग्रेचुलेशंस फिर से सुना, और वो जो बोल रहा है ना इंडिया के पीएम को टारगेट कर रहा है, वैसा कुछ था ही नहीं उसमें भाई।
नहीं, उन्होंने बोला था कि वो कास्ट सिस्टम फिक्स करने का ना।
अरे बट दैट आर कॉल्ड सबलिमिनल्स भाई।
हाँ,
क्या बोलते हैं, डिस्ट्रैक्ट कल्चर, पता ही है ना तुझे कैसा होता है। लेना है तो पूरा लो ऐसा।
इंडिया में फॉरेनर्स का सीन बहुत अजीब है, ठीक है। इंडिया में आई वुड से सबसे ज्यादा रेसिस्ट लोग, लाइक सबसे ज्यादा रेसिस्ट लोग फॉरेनर्स को। इंडिया में जिस टाइप का रेसिज्म वो करना सफर करना पड़ता है भाई, बाप रे। एंड इंडिया के लोग भी बाहर जाके उतना ही सफर करते हैं। बढ़िया भाई,
बेसिकली ह्यूमंस आर फक्ड अप।
हाँ, आई मीन देख भाई, ऐसा इंडिया का ये कि भाई वो लोगों ने भी तो अपने को ऐसा ट्रीट किया, तो हम कैसे नहीं कर सकते उनको ट्रीट भाई। बट द थिंग इज कि यू गोटा ट्रीट पीपल विथ लव टू गेट लव भाई। वो स्टार्टिंग में बोल रहे हैं कि ऐसे इंग्लिश वाले प्रेजेंट्स है भाई, तो हाउ कैन यू एक्सपेक्ट अदर्स टू रिस्पेक्ट योर रिलीजन, ओपिनियन, कास्ट, रेस,
नेशनैलिटी।
हाँ, नेशनैलिटी, रेस, अगर तुम खुद ही दूसरों को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो भाई
ना। ठीक है, लेट्स से दैट वाज सार्काज्म, बट
सार्काज्म नहीं था भाई वो।
नहीं, लेट्स से।
हाँ, तो फिर PewDiePie का वीडियो सार्काज्म में ही आता ना।
हाँ, वही बोलने आता मैं।